So it is very interesting to see what God is doing right now. So God is approaching the POI that we wanted to sell from. And from the way it's looking, I think God is just going to go to the upside, guys. It's not, I don't think it's slowing down. This move from here to here just happened during Asian session. That's like over 150 pips during the Asian session. So I feel like this is going to continue to go to the upside. But yeah. So let's go on the higher time frame. Let's see what is happening right here. So you can see that God has been going to the upside right here for a long time and recently created the highest high right here. After that, we saw the market going down, right? So this was a rally based drop supply zone, very clear. And then this rally based drop supply zone caused a break of structure from here, right? Very significant. And then we saw the market now chopping around all the way to this level right here where we are right now. So simply just go to the lower time frame and then find the order block that caused the break of structure right here. So just come here and zoom in. So I got that last candle right there, which is my order block, right? So then I was anticipating price to create some sort of resistance as it was reaching this area. Apparently it didn't do that. So, and you can see that clearly where the market is really pushing all the way. You can see right now the market is really just pushing strongly and everything, guys. Yeah, so I wanted to record this video, guys, so that I can show you what is happening sometimes. So for me, we're in the Asian session. I'm doing my analysis right here. I don't usually take trades in this session. So if you watched my previous video, I was able to actually do the analysis of gold right here and other pairs. So I was looking to sell when gold came to this area right here. This is when gold was still down here, right? But now gold is exactly at this level, almost at this level right here. So but I'm not sure if it's going to react from this level and drop or not. And mind you, for me, I always want to see the Asian session being taken out before any trade actually starts to react. So I like to see the market taking out gold, taking out the Asian session, then coming into my area, then potentially selling. But the way I'm looking at this, I don't think it's going to happen. I feel the market is just going to go to the upside. So let me know what you think. Do you think it's going to continue to push the upside past this level, or it's going to continue to drop in one direction? So if it does drop, it will be a 1 to 31 risk reward ratio. Let's see what happens. Comment in the comment section what you think is going to happen. All right, cheers. So it is very interesting to see